Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at Pythagoras theorem. Now in this question we're told a couple of things about a triangle, a right-angled triangle, saying that the two legs are equal to 4 meters and 9 meters. So if I'm going to draw this triangle, it looks something like that, obviously not to scale. So I've got 4 and 9. I'm thinking of these as the legs just because they come out from the right angle. It's asking for this here, the longest side. Now to find that we use Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus b squared, which is equal to c squared. Now graphically, what that means, let's do that a little bit nicer, is that this square here, well, let's try and get that a square, plus this square here is equal to this square. Obviously we're going to do this numerically, so we get, well, this is A, this is B, and that's still C. So I substitute A for 4, B for 9, and it doesn't matter which way around that. A could be B or B could be A for this. C squared. So 36 plus 81 equals c squared. Let's pull up a calculator. So let's get this nice and right. So 36 plus 81 equals 117. And now I square root both sides. So c is equal to the square root of 117, which is 10.82. Let's go to 2 decimal places, meters. In this next question, we're given some information about a rectangular room, which is 24 meters long, and we're trying to find the width of the room. Okay, so this is 24. The width of the room, let's call that A, is up here, but it's also giving us this information. The maximum possible distance, so that's going to be from here to here in the corner, and draw a nice straight line. That is equal to 37. Now, one of the skills often with Pythagoras' theorem is seeing the right angle triangles. I've got one here, and I've got one here. And I can see that A is one of the legs of this right angle triangle. So I'm going to redraw it just with one triangle here. Ooh. So this is A, this is 24, and this is 37. So let's use Pythagoras' theorem. Now I'm going to rearrange it because I want A to be the subject. So I subtract b squared from both sides, and then I square root both sides. So let's substitute in some values. C is equal to 37. B is equal to 24. Now I need to get my calculator out. So 37 squared, well, that's equal to 1369 minus 576. So square root of 793, which equals 28.16 meters.